What's going on, eaters and feeders? My name is Casey, and on my channel, I discuss business tips and tricks, startup hacks, entrepreneur mindset, and so much more based on my experience starting and growing Florida's highest rated meal prep company from nothing. So if you want to learn more about marketing, production, purchasing, sales, software, leadership, mindset, meditation, and everything in between, I invite you to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications so you don't miss out on any of my content. I produce videos weekly, I go live sporadically, and I don't want you missing out on any of it. If you've got an idea for an episode, let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, you're also going to want to make sure you check out the links in the show notes. Those links will give you access to so many more resources than I can fit into a YouTube video. I've got free calculators that teach you how to find all sorts of stuff that you can't see in your business. I've got free software that will completely run your business. I've got free ebooks. I've got free boot camps. I've got one-on-one consulting. I've got private groups. I've got so much stuff, and you will only find it if you check out those links in the show notes and if you venture on over to mealprepbiz101.com. That's my site where I host so many more tips, tools, resources, and great stuff that will make your life easier and make your business more successful. So check out those links and check out mealprepbiz101.com. Now let's check out today's episode. Welcome to our channel where we go behind the scenes for meal plan company Fit Food Fresh and other local businesses across South Florida. Make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts so you never miss a video, and hit us with any questions or suggestions. This is a special type of episode. They're essentially short little clips from longer episodes, interviews, or consultations that focus on a specific term, topic, or concept, densely packed with value and information that you can immediately learn from and implement in your business's operations. If it's a clip from a longer episode that you'd like to see in its entirety, I invite you to head on over to my YouTube channel where you can see the full-length episode and the context in which this topic was discussed. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with yours truly, I invite you to head on over to mealprepbiz101.com. Find my store. You'll be able to purchase and book a one-on-one consultation so that you and I can dive into your specific issues, ideas, and problems and see what we can come up with as far as solutions, information, and better arming you to move forward with your business operations. You want to try to make it as efficient for production and purchasing as possible without it being obvious. Like you're going to have a couple items with, broccoli. Really, it's the main dish. Nothing lists the name of that item is never the sides first. So what they're looking at is the different sides, and then you can also make a keto version of the same meal. You have the grilled chicken with this, and it's traditional, and the grilled, and it gives it the illusion that it's a bigger menu for them to select from. Yeah. But when you look at it, like I always tell people, look at Taco Bell. I'm convinced they've got 5 ingredients back there, but they've got a million things on their menu because they're like, oh, if we put this one on the outside of this one, it's the chalupa. If we put this one on the inside of this one, now it's the pita. And it's like,
so true.
You just mix. Oh, we're gonna put sour cream on it. Now it's the supreme. It's like, okay, see what you're doing. Yeah, you're getting stuff at Costco. We've been there. They've got some high quality proteins. It is definitely better than going to the grocery store, but I don't know if they're in your area, but you're going to want to see if you could find, I don't know what the wording would be, but one is GFS, Gordon Food Services. They do, they supply to restaurants. They're a wholesaler, but then they also have retail locations. So caterers love them because, oh man, we got, a party coming up in an hour and you burnt the shrimp or whatever. We're going to run out to GFS. So they have the wholesale. They have a limited selection, obviously, what's in the retail, but then they'll have a big warehouse that you can also do will call at. So all the restaurants that are in your area, I don't know the name of who's supplying them more locally, but you're going to have US Foods and Cisco and all those big guys. Yeah. They'll do will call, which is when you don't have enough, they'll probably require at least $500 for them to drop a truck off and bring the food to you, which is great once you get to that level. But you can go put an order in and do will call. You pick it up yourself, and it's going to be way cheaper. Well, Well, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Again, I want to stress that you need to be subscribed to both the YouTube and the podcast. So make sure you're doing that so you get the most out of the content that I'm producing. You're also going to want to make sure that you're checking out those show notes. They're going to have links to more resources, freebies, goodies, all sorts of fun stuff like that. And of course, mealprepbiz101.com. Until my next episode, I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.